Traveling soon? Skip the roaming charges and physical SIM cards and stay connected with Univasa eSIM, your digital passport to affordable global data in over 150 countries. Step 1. Visit roam.univasa.com. Choose the country you're traveling to. Choose your currency. Pick a data package or plan that fits your needs. Click Buy Plan. Enter your valid email address to receive your eSIM and payment receipt. Ensure your device supports eSIM before payment, and you can do this by dialing *#06# to check if your device supports eSIM. If an eID number is displayed, your device is compatible. Click Continue to pay. Complete your secure payment. Then in just a few seconds, your Univasa eSIM will appear on your screen and be instantly sent to your email. Step 2. To install your Univasa eSIM as an Android user, go to your settings and then connections. Once you're there, look for SIM Manager. Select Add eSIM. To start the installation process for your new mobile plan, select Scan QR code from your service provider. Here you have two options: install with the QR code or install manually. To install with the QR code, you must have access to the QR code we sent to you via email on another phone. Position the QR code in the box showing on the screen. Wait a few seconds for your new mobile plan to be identified. If you do not have another device, you can carry out the installation manually. On the same screen, select Enter Activation Code below the box. Copy and paste the manual activation code for your Android device on your Purchase Successful eSIM page. Tap Connect and wait a few seconds. Once the plan has been identified, tap Add to your new phone. If you would like to change the name on your new plan, tap the option that says Name. We recommend you change it to eSIM. And that's it. Your Univasa eSIM is now installed. Step 3. To activate your Univasa eSIM, go back to your settings. Search for Connections, then your SIM Manager. Under your preferred SIM, tap on Mobile Data. Select your Univasa eSIM as the default for mobile data. Go back to Connections, go to Mobile Networks, and turn on your data roaming to activate your eSIM. And that's it. Your Univasa eSIM is now fully activated. If you need help, please get in touch with our customer service. You can call or WhatsApp +234 915 050 1010 or email us at support@univasa.com. We're here for you 24/7. Stay connected, stay global.